Okay, we're in part two of our exercise here. We're going to continue with this pump family. So I think the first thing we want to do is go to the Create tab and look at our family types categories. And we'll go down to, we want to make this mechanical equipment because it has a large bucket. You can do a lot of different things with mechanical equipment. Okay. So we can handle hair Allen units, conduit, HVAC. So um, that's what we're going to use mechanical equipment for this family category. Okay. So now we should be ready to carry on. Now under family parameter, we need to go down and select part type. And we want to change that to part type to break into. So what happens is it'll break into the pipe and it'll cut into the pipe. So click on OK. Okay, now we're ready to go and insert parameters. I think we want to just save as while we're here now. Save as family, and let's call this just call it pump for now. I don't care what you call it. I made one early, so I'm going to call mine pump 1. Pump 1. Hit options, we're going to make that 1. Hit OK. And we'll hit save. Okay. Now we'll start by roughing out reference planes, okay? So now this is how we're going to plan this. We'll start with the center section of the pump. So we'll do the center section here. We'll go here. We'll go to the far right, far left. Okay. Now, next here, we'll do another reference plane here for our motor housing, which will go there and about there. We don't really want to worry about the distances. We'll work those out later. And then we'll do our flange connections. Now, something I want to do here in this particular family, I want to change these units over. Let's go and get used to working in our metrics. So let's go to our Manage tab, and let's go to Project Units. Let's go to, because a lot of this equipment we'll find that it's done in metric. So let's go to millimeters. We can convert them back to inches, but I wanted to get you used to working with millimeters, and we'll say okay. Okay. Now, let's continue on here. Now let's go into our front elevation and see what reference planes we need in here. Okay. So, okay, now, so the connections for our pipe will go through the reference levels. So this is going to break in too because we made that setting in our project. So let's go into our create reference plane. Let's put the reference plane here. Let's bring one just here. Now, we also need another reference plane. Let me see here. Let's create. So we need a reference plane about here for our edge of our flanges. Go there. Let's drag this one over slightly. There. Okay. All right. Let's put another one here. These are for our flanges. I think I got them all in here. This one there. So we got, and let's place another one about here. Okay, and then we'll need another one for our top. Now this looks really messy, I know. Okay. There. Now let's go back to our reference level and let's name some of these reference planes. That's always a good thing. So for this one, we'll select this guy and we'll name this flange left. And it'll be left reference. Okay. Now we'll make this one not a reference. Now we'll go to the right hand side and we'll select it and we'll call this one flange right. And we'll make this a right hand reference. Okay. And now these other reference planes, we'll just select them all. And these will be not a reference. Okay, so we should be all good to go in that view. Now let's go back to our front elevation. So we don't really have to name anything here, but we will name this guy here. We'll call it top. And it'll be here selected as top. And we'll hit OK. Now, so we've done all these tasks, now we're good to go. So we want to go and add dimensions and parameters here. So we created all our reference planes. So now let's create some parameters. So let's go into our reference level. Okay. So we need to place some equality dimensions from the Annotate tab. Click Align Dimension. So let's add the dimension here. And click on Equality. And then we'll go from here to here. Click on Equality. And then we'll go from here, here to here. Add equality. Now what I want to do here, I want to add a dimension here and here for our flanges. Okay. Now we need to start adding parameters now. So what I want to go, and I want to go from this point for that distance, and then from here to here for this one, those parameters there. Okay, now we've got all the equality. Now we need to name these parameters. For this exercise, we're going to just go alphabet, single elements of the alphabet. So let's do, we need to do this overall dimension here. And wait a second, I think I made a mistake here. I did. I want my overall, and I want this to go, let me see, sorry. I want to take this guy from here to here, yep. Okay, then I want to do my overall dimension from this point, from this parameter as well. So we'll go from here to here, and here's our overall dimension. So what we want to do then is, so let's just go, like I said, single letters of the alphabets. So we'll select this overall dimension here, and we'll add a parameter here. And we'll call this A. And now everything will be a type parameter. So that's our A. So we're going to continue to do this with all the rest of the dimensions. So here we'll add a parameter here. And this will be our B. Okay. And we'll move on and add C. This will be our C. We'll call this one C. Okay, so now we'll also go and add our flange dimensions. So we can add a parameter both at the same time. So we'll just select these two. I think you can do this. And we'll call those D. So we'll go here and label. And this will be our D. Uh-oh. Nope. Let's go on this one. Didn't work that way for me, and that'll be our D. So now we have all of our parameters set up. So let's go and look and see what's going on in our family types now. So we have our parameters all set. But what I want to do is I want to change these values here. And remember, we're in metrics. So for A, I want to make this 220 millimeters. whoop, 220 mil. For C, I want 140 mil. For I'm sorry, for C I want 75. My bad. B, we want B to be 140 millimeters. And A, 220. What I want to do is, or I'm going to show you now, apply. Uh-oh, we got something wrong here. Undo this. Uh-oh. So we have a problem here. Oh, there it is right there. Okay. So let's change our D is going to be 10. Our C will be 75. B will be 140. Uh-oh. 140 and A will be 220. We click apply. There. I want this to install up this way. Okay. So we'll say okay. And that's good. That's what we want. Let's go back into our front elevation. Now let's add equality dimensions again. So we'll go from for the flange. So let's go with okay, let's see. I think yes, this is we want to go with this one here. I'm sorry, this one should go in here. And then we want our I think I need another reference line here. If I do. A reference plane right here. So we need equality in here. So we'll go annotate a line and we'll go a point from here, there to there. We'll make that equal. Okay, now we need to have one from this point to this one. And then we'll need another one from here to here. And a reference plane from here to our top of our flange. I think we're good to go there now. And then one final one to the top. I think I don't think I need this guy here. Yeah, this is out. We don't need that one. So let's move on. So now let's start adding parameters here. So we'll go from there to there. And we'll go one from here to here. Yep. And now let's add a parameter here. Hit modify, click this guy, add parameter, we'll call this one E. Okay. We'll call this one F. Okay, we'll call this one G. Sorry, G. Okay, and we'll call this one. Okay, wait a second here. Okay, yeah. We'll call this one H. And finally, we'll call this last one the J. Call this one J. We'll hit OK. Now, we're here. We should have all these guys set in here. I think we're looking good here. Yeah. So what we want to do is go into our family types now. Now let's change all these values here. We want to change some values here in our family types. So let's go and change, let's see, we got E, we want to change E to 140. We want to change G to 75 here. Let's change H to 200. And J to 400. Now, I think we've got everything set here. So let's see, A is 220, B is 140, C is 75, D is 10, E is 140, yep, 75 is F. We want F to be 75 millimeters. Okay. D is 10. Yep. So I think we're looking good here now. So yeah. So 220, 140, 75, 10, 140. F should be 75. That's right. G 75. H is 200 and 400, and we'll click apply. Okay. Gonna apply and okay. So now we've got all our parameters created. In the next video, we're gonna go into the modeling stage. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.